How to get Cash App card. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can get Cash App card, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now to get a Cash App card you first have to order it, and to order it just open up Cash App over here. Once you launch Cash App you'll find the card icon right over here, tap on that. Then here you'll find the get free cash card. Make sure to tap on the get free cash card option there, and once you have done that you'll be able to choose a style between classic and metal. The metal one is of course going to cost you some amount of money by the way, but if you want a normal one you can just choose a classic one and then you can choose the one for free. And then once done you can tap on personalize if you want to personalize your card details, or you can tap on the order card option there, and then just make sure to enter your addresses where you want the card to be shipped, and then you'll be able to get your Cash App card. This way you will be able to get Cash App card. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.